Most people don't have a money problem. They've got a structure problem. Money's coming in, and money's going out. But there's no real system behind it. And when there's no structure, everything feels harder than it needs to be. If you're just getting started or trying to get your finances under control, there are 3 accounts you need to have in place first. The first is your operating account. This is your main checking account. Your income comes in here and your bills and everyday expenses go out. This is where your cash flow lives. If this account isn't stable, let me tell you, nothing else is going to work. The second is your savings account. This is not where you're trying to build a large balance. All this is a buffer. A small amount of money set aside that you can access quickly if something were to come up. Think of this as what I might need at a moment's notice. Now, you may not earn much interest here, and that's okay, because the purpose of this account is access, not growth. The third is your emergency account. This is where you begin building real financial stability. Now, this is not for quick access. This is for larger, unexpected events. And because you're not using this money often, it can sit somewhere like, say, a high-yield savings account, a money market account, T-bills or T-bill ETFs, where it earns more interest over time. Ideally, this account is at a separate institution. Part of that is psychological and part of it's practical, because it makes it just one step harder to access, which helps protect it from being used for the wrong reasons. And I've seen this many times. Somebody might have $20,000 or $30,000 sitting in a basic savings account, earning almost nothing. And I'll ask them, what kind of emergency is going to come up that you're going to need $30,000 in a day? And that's when they stop and think. Because most emergencies don't require that kind of money immediately. So then we walk through it. What could realistically happen? And how much would you actually need at a moment's notice? Take that amount and keep it in your savings account. Now, you still have access, you still have peace of mind. Then take the rest and move it into a high yield or money market account or T-bills or T-bill ETFs. Same money, same purpose, just in a better place. Now, just to be clear, I'm not talking about ignoring things like a 401k or other retirement plans. If your employer offers a match, you should at least be contributing enough to get that. So now you have an account for cash flow, an account for quick access, and an account for stability. Once you have these 3 in place, your money starts to feel organized. You're not reacting anymore. You have structure. If you want to build a stronger financial foundation and make your money easier to manage, consider subscribing. Because before you can grow your money, you have to organize it. We'll see you in the next video.